Hello and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you read the title right. I'm going to be sharing with you guys today the best things you could find at IKEA under $5. And we're focusing today on the kitchen category because there was just too much good stuff. I had to break it up into multiple videos. So this will be a series if you guys do enjoy it. Crazy enough, this video was originally going to be the best things under $15. And I came home, I looked at my receipt, and you know what I realized? Everything was under $5. What? Don't forget I have a $1,000 giveaway going on right now, and all you have to do is follow me on my brand new Facebook page. So the link for that is going to be in the description box. And with all of that said, let's get started with our first item. And this is actually my number one pick. This very unassuming dish brush. You can see here, I stocked up because I love these so much for one main reason. See this on the bottom? That's a suction cup, baby. You wash your dishes and boom, suctions right down onto your countertop. You don't have to lay it down, get drippage everywhere, find a place for it. It just has its own little home and it is so convenient. And these ring in at a whopping 99 cents. And in case you don't already do this, I run this in the dishwasher with every cycle just to keep it nice and clean and sanitary. Next up is an item that definitely wins the award for the cutest item of this entire haul. Mini tongs. I mean, how cute are these? And Carter lately has been my little cooking assistant, so now he can have his own little tongs to help me with cooking. And this 2-pack is only $2.99. This item here not only matches my outfit, but is one of my top 5 IKEA items, like period. I love this thing, I've had it for a while, but it is under $5. It's $4.99, and it is this little lunch bento box. So whether you work in an office, you're going out for a picnic, or if you have kids and you're taking them out, you can pack your own little lunch for them and have everything nice and compartmentalized. You guys know me, I love a good compartment. It has the lid, which seals clothes on all sides. And inside here, this is the key feature, the removable compartment. And this compartment on the end seals shut, so you could put your salad dressings or sauces or any liquids in here. I'm pretty sure by now most people have seen these apple slicing devices. This one at IKEA is only $2.99, and I like that it has the base that comes with it, because not only does this give a sturdy surface for your apple to sit on top of, kind of like a mini cutting board, it helps it store nicely and safely, so the blades aren't just out there for your kid to reach into your cabinet and cut themselves on the blade. Next up are these handy little bag sealers. This entire pack is only $1.99, so if you're opening your bag of chips, I've been loving these Ranch Quest protein chips lately. So once I'm done eating, you just roll up the bag, pinch this right on the top, it will seal it up for you. Just very handy to have and help keep your food fresh. I'm also a sucker for a good multi-purpose item. Is it a pitcher or is it a vase? It's both. Why choose? I will probably more often use this as a vase. I love having fresh flowers in my home, but it's just a little cuter, a little prettier. And of course, it is designed to be a glass pitcher. Speaking of glass containers, IKEA is the place to go if you are organizing your pantry and you want good glass dry good containers. Your cornstarch, your flour, your sugar, you could store them in here. It has a nice airtight seal to it. They have different sizes and shapes there, ranging from $2.99 all the way up to like $7.99 for the larger sizes. This medium-sized jar, I believe, is $3.99. This next item combines two of my current obsessions, mini things and bamboo. I love all things bamboo lately. You would know this if you follow me on my Instagram stories. Pretty much if it's made out of bamboo, I love it. This little bamboo cutting board is $4.99. Comes to cutting board, only use the size you need. Like if you're just cutting up a tomato, you don't need to bust out the huge cutting board, then you have to clean it. It's such a pain. It doesn't fit in the dishwasher. This, it's so small and compact, it makes it easy to store and easy to clean. They also had a set of these mini cutting boards I picked up. Now, combining those last two, bamboo and glass, they now have a whole line of Tupperware with the glass bases and the bamboo top. Having your food stored and reheated in glass is so much better for you. These are a tiny bit pricier. The lid is $4.99 and the base is $2.99. This got me really excited when I saw it in the store. It is a collapsible colander. And as far as I'm concerned, the only type of colander that should be in any kitchen is the collapsible type, because otherwise it's just taking up valuable real estate in your kitchen. And when you need it, you just pop the bottom open, you can strain all of your things, and when it's not in use, you just fold it back up and it can store nice and compactly in a drawer or a cabinet. Oh yes, we are still going, people. I hope you have stamina, because I do. This guy right here is a knife sharpener, but what I love so much about this is that it has the little handle on the side, so you can sharpen and keep it nice and sturdy while you're doing so. If you haven't sharpened your knives recently, let this be the reminder, the nudge that you need to do so, because it makes such a big difference when you do. And this guy right here is $4.99. And I want to note they do sell knives and also a ton of different pots and pans. Let me know if you have tried the knives at IKEA. How are they? Do they stack up? Are they sharp enough? Next up is a kitchen tool you did not know you needed, but I promise you it will revolutionize your life if you are an avocado freak like me. There are two types of people in this world. People who love avocados and people who are just missing out. So this tool right here looks kind of crazy. It rings in at $4.99. This does everything you need to slice and dice your avocado. So first you flip this and you have your knife, so you can cut your avocado. Then these little metal prongs in the middle you use to remove the pit. We're not done yet. See here on the end? This is the slicer. So you just slice your avocado, you are good to go. Now really, the only hard part about using this is finding a perfectly ripe avocado, because that's like a unicorn. Okay, these babies, I believe, are hot new items at IKEA. I had not seen them before, and I'm always scoping. So they are Silicone Ice Pop Molds. And if you have kids, these are awesome. The warmer it gets, you can make your own ice pops. Not only is that gonna save you money, but you can make them a little healthier. Frankly, all you have to do is make a smoothie and then pour it in here, freeze it, and it becomes a whole new fun experience for your kid. This I had to pick up because, believe it or not, we do not have an ice cream scoop in our home, and we have 3 crazy ice cream addicts and no ice cream scoop. So this just needed to be mine, and this was only 99 cents. This silicone ice cube mold will make your ice in the shape of these long spears. And this really comes in handy if you use a water bottle that has a narrow mouth and regular ice cubes either don't fit or you have to like really jam them in there. This will just make your life so much easier, and it's fun to have an ice cube spear. I'm sorry. Now this next one rings in just a hair over $5. It's $5.99. But it had to be included because it's just too good, okay? This entire set of bowls with lids. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bowls. It's just so great for storage reasons because these bowls can take up so much space, but now they all just live inside of each other like one of those Russian egg dolls. What are the stacking Russian dolls called?
I don't know that one.
Alexa, come on, don't let me down like that. And the tones. I'm a sucker for a good color palette. This is also one of those kitchen gadgets that most people probably have, but if you haven't, you really, really need in your life one of these egg slicers. You just put your hard-boiled egg right here, slice it right up, and Carter loves hard-boiled eggs. It's a great high protein, healthy little snack for him. So this just makes it that much easier to slice it up, serve it. And this one at IKEA was only $1.99. They have the reusable grocery bags that are 99 cents. And what I like about these is they fold into themselves. So it makes it really compact to keep this in all of your purses, backpacks. So when you are at the grocery store, you have it always. So that is it for the under $5 best of IKEA kitchen items. I do want to point out that I also grabbed a few baby toys that were under $5. So if you have a young child, they have some cute stuff. Probably is not going to merit being its own separate video, so just wanted to throw that in there. All right, so that is going to be it for my favorite kitchen items at IKEA under $5. If you're new here to my channel and if you watch all the way to the end of the video, I would love to have you as a subscriber. There is a red button and you'll just be notified of my new videos. So with all of that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.
You think $5 is cheap? I'll show you how you can get all that stuff for free. Avocado slicer, you don't need that. Here's something they don't tell you. The skin on an avocado, that's good for you. You eat that bad boy up like an apple. Are you serious? Tongs? I'm pretty sure nature gave us all some tongs here. Look at these bad boys, huh? These are free 99. Ah! 2-for-1 special. Look at this. I'm tonguing it up. Oh, how much did you cost? I cost nothing. How much did you cost? I cost $3. Colander? You don't need a colander. You can just use your shirt. Just dump that pasta right on there. It drains right through. You already spent money on a shirt. It's a 2-for-1 deal.